Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 10 sine theta, because if we put this one go in here, you will got about 100 sine theta squared. 100. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine theta square we can change into cosine theta square. So about this one, we can do first the derivative, and you will got about ds equal to 10 cosine t dt. So we put this one go in here. ds we change for this one. So this one you got about 100 sine t square. 100. We can do about factorization. One minus sine t squared we can do about cosine t square. And later that, the square root of 100 cosine t square, which got about 10 cosine t. Later that, we simplify 10 cosine t on numerator and denominator, and you got about dt. And this one you got about t. Now about t, we need to return back in here. So we divide both sides by number 10. And we got about t equal to arcsine of s over 10. So we put this one to replace for t. And that is the final answer. This is the end. And thank you for watching.